Finally, after learning all these different services provided by the Azure DevOps service, we can now relate ourselves like where we did started our journey of Azure DevOps Service 2019 and where we are right now. So we discussed about this artifact, test plans, and the pipelines and repos and even boards and all those stuffs, and we did a lot of different operation in the whole Azure DevOps services. We saw how we can work with the sprint, how we can assign the task within the team, and how we can do check-in of the code and check-out of the code, and how we can create a PR, and how we can merge the PR, and how we can see the PR is being visualized within the task and things of that nature. After doing all these stuffs, now if you go back to the overview here, you can see that for the Udemy course project, right now we have a very good project stats. It says that there is like 19 work items that we created and 4 work items got completed, and there are like 6 pull requests opened, and there are 37 commits by 3 authors, and the build got succeeded like 73%, and deployment successfully completed by like 62%, which is really awesome. So we did really cool in all these journeys with the repos and the pipeline stuffs for both the build and release pipeline. Finally, if you go to the dashboard here, you can see that this is the one thing that we have not discussed so far. You can see that once I hit this add widget, you can see what is the build histories and stuff. So I can just drag and drop this guy in here. And once I do this configure, you can see that I can do the configuration here. So basically I can select the pipeline for any one of the build pipeline. So I'm just gonna choose the Udemy course project. And if I hit save, you can see that I can see this guy. Similarly, I can create one more build history, but this time I'm going to be choosing the Udemy course ASP.NET project. I'm just going to save this, and you can see it comes in here. Similarly, I can see the chart for the test plan. I'm not sure whether this guy is going to work, so I'm just going to select that for this guy and for this suite. And if I hit save, you can see that I could able to see there is like one test which has been executed and things of that nature. So similarly, I can keep on doing different kinds of stuff over here, and also I can see the deployment status and different kind of stuff in here. So these are the different kinds of widgets which can be used while working with a different project, and you can even visualize like what's really happening with the build and stuffs within the team. So you can see that I just want to make this guy a little bigger. There you go. And I can see the whole stuff's coming in here. So these are the different ways that we can work with the widgets and how we can see the whole stuff's coming in without any problem. So this ends the journey of our Azure DevOps Service 2019. Starting our next section, we'll be doing a tidbits kind of stuff where we'll be adding some of the topics that are left behind, something like parallel execution, branch policies, deployment group sharings, and things of that nature. So once again, thank you very much for purchasing this course, and have a great day.